Hello guys, hello. Welcome to the Now You Know TV. Today we are in the kitchen. Yay. So today what are we going to make? So first of all, let me introduce you to the ingredients of today. So you have to have the bowl or the basin plus the spoon. You also have to have the baking powder. Yes. Good. Are we together? The next we have to have the eggs. I'll use 1 egg for this specific meal. And then we're going to have milk as the ingredient. Oil, yep. So whatever oil that you use, you can use your own oil. Yep. So today we're going to make gluten-free snacks. To be specific, donuts. And you'll also need flour. This time you're going to use maize flour because I'm allergic to gluten. I cannot use wheat. You also need to use sugar. Yeah, so egg. Again, don't forget to use the egg. Good. So now with all the ingredients, we are ready to make. Yay! We are ready to make our gluten-free donuts using the maize flour. And that's what we are going to do. The first thing, you have to put the maize flour into the basin. Yeah. So if you have some music, you have some cooking is usually fun. Yeah, don't cook if you're not having fun. Yeah. And that's what I am doing. Yeah. So hapo nafungua unga. Yeah. I have to add some more flour because I wanted to make a lot. Yeah, not just a few snacks. And this specific these are donuts. In Swahili, we'll say kaimati. Kaimati za unga wa sima. Yes. So that's flour, as you can see. You pour it into a bowl. Yeah. Then now let's pour also the egg. Yeah, some people love putting the egg separately and then now bringing it to the flour. But me, because of the intelsies and whatever, I just love putting straight into. Yeah. So that's my egg. Whoop. Inside. Again, you have to dance. Not in this video. The key point is whenever you put an ingredient, you have to dance for it. Are we together? And that is the Now You Know TV team. Today we are in the kitchen, guys. So you have to stir. Yes. Then now the next thing, you'll have to add sugar. Yeah, you can use brown, white, whatever sugar you're using. No problem. Yeah, the key thing here that we want to keep it away, it is wheat flour. We don't want to use wheat flour. Yes, guys. So then now you can add your baking powder. For me, I decided to put 1 spoon because the ingredients were a lot. Especially the flour that I had put was a lot that needed 1 spoon. So you can look at your ingredients and see how much measurement do you need. Yeah. So guys, I'm not a chef, but when it comes to cooking, I'm just but the best. Yes, because also we want to try new things, new meals, and that is what you'll get on the Now You Know TV. Every now and then you step into the Now You Know TV, you learn something new. Today we are learning how to make gluten-free donuts, and that is what we are doing. Yes, because breakfast is very hard for we gluten intolerant people, and that is what we are doing. So put your nani away. Then now we have to stir the ingredients properly. Stir. Then what is that? That is cardamom. Yeah, in Kiswahili tunasema iliki. We are using iliki. You have to stir properly. Yes. Then now the last ingredient is milk. We'll use milk. The key point is, we've said, whenever you use an ingredient, make sure you dance for it. Because if you don't dance, you're just wasting your time. Dance for your ingredients, guys. Yep, then you pour milk. Ooh. Yeah. Don't throw the pepper away, because you can still put some water and add it into your wheat flour. Sorry, your maize flour. Yeah, we are used to wheat. Yes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna add water and put it into the wheat flour. So yes, guys, I want to show you that we gluten intolerant people, we suffer a lot, especially during breakfast, because most of the breakfast, especially in Kenya, is wheat. We have mahamri, mandazi, we have pizza, and many things, they are wheat. So you find that mornings are usually the very difficult ones. But we have to find solution, guys. And the first solution now is to make breakfast for gluten intolerant people. And it's only in the Now You Know TV where you will learn things every day. So make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. So let's stir. Yes. And stir and stir. Yeah, because stirring is very important. Kukoroga ni muhimu. Yes. Yeah, so in the meantime, your oil is supposed to be on the fire, so that when you're done stirring, you just go ahead and fry your breakfast. Yeah, the key thing I told you is dancing. Don't forget to dance. Dance for your meals. Dance when they are about to be ready. Dance after eating. Always dance. You have oil. Yeah, for me, I'm using a cooking fresh oil. So whatever oil you'll be using, yeah. So that's my charcoal jiko, and I'm using, guys, just an old sufuria for oil. Yeah. So don't worry, that sufuria is specifically for oil. And the kind of fire I'm using, this is what we call charcoal in Africa. Yes. So that is what I've put inside. The kaimati, or the donuts, the gluten-free donuts. Yes, you fry them, and they're so sweet because of the sugar, the cardamom. It becomes so sweet, so you will not miss to enjoy. Yeah, there we go. Those are samples. So what is this? Is my basin, and I'll put a pepper so that the oil cannot, like the pepper will sink in the oil. Yeah. So that is the sample of it. Let's eat together. Yes. The donuts, we call them kaimati, gluten-free kaimati. They're not hard. Usione ni ngumu, it's not hard. Yeah, it's soft, but I was using one hand to hold the phone and another one to cut, so that's why it was difficult for me. Yep. So those are my gluten-free donuts. Did you enjoy? Will you try this recipe?
Wow!